MaxValue is probably my favorite grocery store in our town. Today I'll take you inside and show you around. So here at the Japanese grocery store, you just get a little basket to fill up, and you don't have that huge shopping buggy like we have in the States. It's not uncommon to stop at the grocery store 2 or 3 times a week to pick up what you need. Let's head inside the store. I have a couple of items I need to grab for dinner tonight. When you first walk in the store, you see all the deli foods. These are ready to eat for lunch or for dinner, and the grocery store will mark down the price in the evening. Now we're approaching the yogurt and juice section. Here's all the milk and smoked sausages. Here's your section of waters. We like sparkling water. If you prefer to buy a cold drink, they have a cold case with waters and tea and Coke. We like these hamburger steak. All the fresh meats can be found here in the back of the store. There's a large selection of ramen, as you might have expected. You'll hear random music playing throughout the store. These are little advertising jingles for certain brands. Now we'll head towards the seafood section and back to the other side front of the store for the produce. I found everything I needed. Now I'll head to the checkout. I'll show you real quick what I got. We like sparkling water like LaCroix or AHA back in the States. I can't remember the other brands, but they don't have those here. So we get whatever brand they have. This is Wilkinson's and it's Crush Orange. My favorite though is grapefruit flavor. It's yummy too. Of course, I got my cold green tea that I will drink on the way home. I needed to get some combustible bags, so we have to buy specific bags for our combustible garbage. We sort our garbage, so we have combustibles and then recyclables and plastics. So this is the red bag for combustibles. These are my kiddos' favorite instant ramen, cabbage again. And these are little smoked sausages, and you can get these at a lot of the restaurants, Coco Curry's, the family restaurants, but I have found that this brand at MaxValue is my favorite. It tastes the best. A while ago, I found hamburger patties that were already made and they're already seasoned. I buy those. We have them like once a week. And I have this good gravy at home. Heinz actually makes it, but they don't sell it in the States. Like a mushroom sauce gravy. So we'll have some rice and the hamburger steak and the mushroom gravy and also some boiled cabbage. And then I got cucumbers. We'll do sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, and salt and pepper. It's really yummy. Let me tell you how much everything costs. The grand total is $22.90. That's 3,375 yen. So with today's rate, it changed to $22.90, which isn't bad. So I got my meat and my vegetable for dinner and then some drinks, my garbage bags. I feel like it's a lot for $22, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Everyone told us how expensive Japan would be when we came to live here, and it seems like it's not as expensive as we had anticipated. For supper this evening, I have the hamburger patties cooking with the boiled cabbage. Here's the cucumbers. This is the Heinz demi-glaze gravy I was talking about. And you'll see here the finished product. It is so, so yummy. As always, thanks for watching. We'll keep you posted. Japan.